For me, the biggest thing was, could it break .02, which was the big round number that it could not break on Monday. We got the answer, yes, it could. I'm in at .02, so I'm up 10% right now. So I have, unfortunately, I don't have like a huge size position. But now the question is, do I take the 10%, not get greedy, or do I hold overnight, because this looks like it's set up fucking perfectly for tomorrow. So as we head into the afternoon, like 2:15 p.m. Eastern, 3:15 p.m. Eastern, you got to start positioning for the next day. And this looks amazing for like a gap up. Conflict. I have only 450,000 shares, but this is another $900 type profit. So that would put me up like 1,600 on the day. Let's go around the room. Should I take profits? Should I play it safe, or do I hold?
Take half.
That's another option. There's a third option.
I think you should hold, actually. Because it's just now breaking out.
It really is.
You might get that.
Early.
You might get that parabolic, where when it breaks out and the volume comes in later in the day.
And I've underestimated now twice. So, I profited both times. I've already locked in like 4,500 on this so far. I know Gritani would say, don't look at your profit. Let the chart play out. Turn off your profit and loss column. And I'll be like, fuck you, Gritani, I'm Jewish. I think about money more than you think about life. Conflict.
Why not take 10 minutes
You're-
and think about
Yeah,
it?
you're already up on the stock, so just hold a little bit.
I have been.
You're in the money.
I'm in the
It's going slow
money.
enough where you don't
But
have
I
to
say
make a
take
decision
singles.
immediately.
My whole goal, it
Say,
keeps
go
going.
for the home run.
Even as no, stop. You're a bad boy. You're very bad. There's a lot of, I'm going to see how it acts at .022. That's going to be the decider, because this is, .021 was a clear breakout, .02 clear breakout, but as you get more and more, kind of resistance levels, it should theoretically get harder to break out. So I'm going to see how it acts. But I'm trying to give this thing time. I'm curious to see if that 1.8 million share bidder is real or not. If he's going to move up or if he's going to disappear. All I know is that it's heading in the right direction. It's hitting new highs every few minutes. So this is good. This is better than it was before. The first time I got out, it was not hitting new highs, and that's what frankly got me out. I just don't know if it's going to be able to hold .022. And as much as I want to give it time, you also have to have a broader perspective where the stock is up 43% on the day with no news. Like, that is best case scenario.
That's a good point.
So it's like, as much as I want to give it time, like, what is it going to do? Like, there's also a lot of the time where, just like, what was it yesterday? GHSI, where it was spiking, and in the last 2 hours, straight down. Now there's a lot of resistance at .022. Fuck this. Do a thing. Oh shit, I only said 45,000 shares. It should have been 450. And there's a typo in the alert. Awesome. I am out at .0217. Let me see, .0217. Sorry, it's... now hitting my goals despite no clear catalyst, taking profits along the way, nearly 2K on the day. 2K keeps the real job away. And this is the thing, like, I can always buy back in, but just recognizing where it's at, where I'm at profit-wise. I know Tim Grattani would say no to this. I know Tim Grattani would stay in it, but I'm not Tim Grattani. I'm Tim motherfucking Sykes, and I trade differently. So you have to choose. Like, there's no one right way, you know?
Well,
He has bigger gains than me, frankly, but I have, I think, safer way.
you made a good point though. It's up 43% on the day.
It had, for me, the biggest thing was, could it break .02, which was the big round number that it could not break on Monday. We got the answer, yes, it could. After that, it ran another 10%, which is where it's at right now. But then it's just like why is it going to keep going? You know, I can understand, I can make an argument why to buy it at .02 because now it's a multi-day breakout. But I can't make an argument to buy it now when it's up 45% on the day. It's already 10% above the breakout. You know, if I was considering buying it now, I would just wait for a dip. I'd say, you know what, I'll just wait. I don't need to chase this. If they come out with a press release tomorrow, I can rebuy. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.